Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is easily one of the best cat shark costumes available on the market, the Yoption puppy dog cat shark costume. If you're looking for a fun, cozy, and adorable outfit for your small pet, this might just be the perfect pick. Whether it's for Halloween, Christmas, or just a playful day at home, this costume combines style, comfort, and cuteness all in one. Right from the start, the design is eye-catching. This shark hoodie transforms your small dog or cat into a tiny underwater predator in the most charming way possible. The costume comes in a cool, stereo shark look with a detailed shark head and fin, making your pet the center of attention wherever they go. But it's not just about looks. The outfit is made of soft polar fleece, a material chosen to keep your pet warm and comfortable. That means no itchy fabrics or restricted movements. Your furry friend can enjoy wearing it without any fuss. Sizing is important here because the costume is designed for small breeds. The medium size fits pets with an 11-inch neck girth and a 14.5-inch chest girth, recommended for animals weighing between 5 to 8.5 pounds. Before purchasing, make sure to measure your pet to ensure a good fit. The costume fits snugly but comfortably, allowing your pet to move freely while staying cozy during colder weather or outdoor events. Another great aspect is the versatility. This shark hoodie isn't just for Halloween. It's suitable for Christmas, Easter, birthday parties, or any holiday gathering where you want your pet to stand out. The costume's warm fleece fabric also makes it perfect for chilly days, so your pet stays cozy whether indoors or out. Plus, it's easy to clean. The material is both hand and machine washable, which is a huge convenience for busy pet owners. Putting the costume on your pet is straightforward. It features a hoodie style that's familiar and simple to wear, reducing stress for both you and your pet. The product arrives vacuum packed, so there may be some creases at first, but a little gentle patting will help the fabric relax back to its original shape, revealing the full adorable shark design. Overall, the Yoption shark costume combines playful aesthetics with practical comfort, making it a standout choice for small dogs and cats. Its lightweight design, quality material, and fun shark theme make it a fantastic option to dress up your pet and keep them warm and stylish at the same time. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you want to see more unique pet products and honest reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.